Phrase searching. What is it and how can you do it? Let's dive in. Phrase searching is basically when you take two or more words and put them together in quotation marks, forcing the search engine or database to find items that have those words in that exact order. So you can see in the upper left, by searching plate lunch in quotation marks, the search engine or database would search the words together. This would get me results on plate lunches like we have here in Hawaii. If you search for the phrase plate lunch without quotation marks, it would actually just search for the word plate and the word lunch individually and not bunched together. Another benefit of searching with phrases is that they are good for words that have multiple meanings. An example would be this word right here. You could pronounce it Polish or polish. So you would need to put this word into quotation marks with other words in order to put it into context, such as Polish government, car polish, or Polish sausage. Using keyword phrases is also good when the order of the words affects their meaning. For example, the phrase dog bites man has a completely different meaning than man bites dog. Now that you are familiar with phrase searching, I hope you give it a try. As always, if you need help, please contact a librarian at the WCC Library. Happy searching!